Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to YouTube Studio for channel growth strategy detailed guide step by step clearly. Navigate to the YouTube website by typing in www.youtube.com. Log into your YouTube account using your email and password. Once logged in, look for your profile icon in the top right corner of the page. Click on your profile icon to reveal a drop-down menu. In the drop-down menu, select YouTube Studio. You will be redirected to the YouTube Studio dashboard. The dashboard provides an overview of your channel's performance. To explore further, navigate to the left sidebar. Select Analytics to access valuable data about your videos. Next, click on Content to view all your uploaded videos. Here, you can analyze the performance of each video individually. For channel growth, focus on improving engagement metrics shown in Analytics. Check your audience retention rates to understand viewer behavior. Experiment with different content types based on your audience's preferences. If you want more features, consider clicking on Settings in the bottom left. Explore the settings to optimize your channel according to your growth strategy. Regularly monitor your analytics to adjust your approach as needed. Engage with your audience through comments to build a loyal community. Use the insights from YouTube Studio to refine your content strategy continuously. This will help drive channel growth over time. Stay consistent with your uploads to keep viewers returning for more. Remember, every change you make should be backed by analytical data. This informed approach will lead to sustainable growth for your channel. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.